So here I am in Multan at the Multan cricket ground for the first one-day international between the West Indies and Pakistan. First match here since 2008 and my first time in Multan. And let me tell you, compared to my visits to Karachi, Lahore, Islamabad, Rawalpindi, the northern areas, it is so different to any of those places. The main thing, or the main reason why it's different, is the security is on a whole different level here. As a foreigner, you're not allowed to leave your hotel without security, which is a bit of a challenge for me because I've heard that Multan is the home of mangoes, and funnily enough, my nickname from my school friends is Mango. So tomorrow, if I want to go and get some mangoes, I've got to go with security, but hopefully it'll be okay. So logistically, as a reporter, it's quite difficult here, but I'm getting used to it now. Right now, it's getting on a bit. It's probably around 9 o'clock at night, so it's not too hot, and I haven't actually found the heat that bad. I suppose the other thing about being in Multan is the people are super friendly, as everywhere. The fans here love their cricket. We've got close to a full house actually here today.